No matter how good you are, if you are in the wrong place, you are worthless. Sometimes giving up is the only option you have because you can't beg someone to treat you the way you treat them. A man who stays silent after being disrespectful is scary. Once you fall in love, there's no going back to just friends. Not every person deserves your explanation. Sometimes it's okay to be silent and let them assume that you are wrong. When you truly love someone, it becomes very difficult to leave them. If a guy in love with you, he'll begin to open up to you about things that are deep and hard to talk about. No one notices your tears, sadness, pain, but they all notice your mistakes. The worst feeling is when you don't want to give up on someone, but you know you have to. 98% of boys are attracted to the girls who can make them laugh. The hardest thing I've learned from life is how to keep quiet, even when I have millions of words to say. It sucks when the only person who makes you feel better is also the reason why you are in pain. 2 key principles to get respect from rude people. Maintain your composure even when faced with rudeness. Be clear and direct about your needs and limits.